like it. I like it. Hey babes, it's your girl Bae and I'm back with another video, and today we're doing a tutorial on this look right here. So I've been seeing this look trending a lot where people do the squiggly lines, like a squiggly line like cut crease and you block out your brows and all that jazz. And I also been noticing there's a lot of there's a lot of cheetah print, animal print makeup going on. So I'm like, I've been combining everything together, like combining like rainbow with my ribbons, combining the two-tone glitter, the two-tone brows with my diamonds with a face chart, combining ribbons with butterflies. So I'm like, okay, let's put these two trends together and create a whole new trend. So this look, I'm actually excited how it turned out exactly how I dreamt it. I dreamt of this look, guys, by the way. I actually dreamt of this look. I slept, dreamt about it, and I was like, damn, this is exactly what I wanted, and I created it. So I was like, okay, I should do a tutorial on it anyways, you know, because why not? So I'm gonna show you guys how to achieve this look on the other eye. Warning, it may not be symmetrical. It's okay, because I usually take pictures on the side anyways, you know. My mom's like, this needs to be a face-on picture, and I'm like, listen, this is not gonna look the same. I just know myself, and I'm just letting y'all know that it is what it is. Okay, so I already blocked out my brows. I already have a video on how to do that. So if you guys want to click off of this and go watch that video quickly before you do this tutorial with me, go ahead. Or if you want to do this look without blocking out your brows, you can go ahead. But I just wanted to make sure I have enough space to really like get super creative with this makeup look. All right then. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so y'all up close and personal. Hey, how you doing? Okay, so first we're gonna go in with the P. Louise and Acid Rain collection, and we're going with the blank canvas color. If you guys know, that is my go-to. It's my favorite base. That and the ABH one is between those two. But we're gonna use this one because we want something thick enough to even like block my brows even more. Okay, so first things first, you want to put the base all over your eyelid, and you're also gonna put it under your eye too. So you wanna make sure you give yourself a nice, generous, thick layer. You wanna put this above your brow. Okay, so now we have the perfect blank canvas. See what I did there? See what I did there? See what I did there? Okay, so now we have the perfect blank canvas. It's time to go in and start creating the squiggly lines. I'm gonna be using the Morphe James Charles palette, which is a beautiful, colorful rainbow palette. Once again, if y'all know, I love rainbow looks. I love rainbow palettes. I love when palettes have every color that I can work with. So that way I don't need to use multiple palettes. Like rainbow palettes just have everything. You usually have a black, a white, different shades of colors, and I usually just like working with rainbow palettes. Okay, so we're gonna be taking my favorite brush, which is the ABH Swish brush. This is the brush I use for any kind of fine detailing. I love this brush and it's amazing. So I'm gonna take the black from the James Charles palette, and I'm pretty much gonna start sketching out the squiggly line. Once we mapped out the squiggly lines, I'm gonna be using two brushes, my Swish brush, and I'll be using my Morphe M573 brush, which is like a very like tight bullet smudging brush. And I'm gonna be using this, and I'm gonna start smudging the black. I realized I was using the wrong brush the entire time, but actually I'll be using the ABH A14 brush to do all this smudge. So we're gonna start blending the black into this color right here, and this color is called Code James. And we're gonna start smudging it and softening the edges. I'm kind of like putting the color on first on the edge of the black. I'm kind of tapping on the color, And then I'm going to like start smudging it in small circular motions. Like so. And then I'm going to take, so I've kind of popped the color on like this. It's look kind of messy. Don't worry, everything's gonna come together. It's all about the blend. And I'm just gonna take a clean fluffy brush, a very small clean fluffy brush, and I'm gonna start softening that orangey brown color. And next you're gonna go in with the small brush again, the A14 ABH brush. And we're gonna start to blend that black into the orange color. And you really want to do like small circular motions. Oh god, I'm hot. It is so hot, y'all. It is so hot. I can't wait to turn my fan back on after this part. Okay, so we have that blend. Don't worry, we're gonna go back and blend some more. So don't worry if it looks a little bit rough. So next we're gonna go in with this orange color right here. This orange color, y'all can see right there, that orange color. And that color is called, I still have this thing. This color is called 518. Is that like an area code or something? I'm not sure, I don't know much about James Charles. But it's called 518. And we're gonna blend this on top of that brownie orange color. We're kind of adding the colors on first, and then don't worry, we'll go back and start doing more heavy blending. But I would just like to have all the colors on at first, as blended as much as possible before I go in and really start to tightly blend. Okay, so we got both of the orange, and now it's time to go in with this bright canary yellow. This bright yellow, and this is gonna go next to the orange. And once again, I'm kind of tapping on the colors first before I go back and do some like heavy shading. Okay, so we have the initial colors on, and now we're gonna really go back and really take our time and blend. So the key thing to everything look seamlessly is to blend. So we're really gonna take our time and start blending. So we're gonna start back from the black to the brown to the orange to the yellow, and you just really wanna really take your time with this. Also, I've been drinking wine during this entire thing, so if I seem a little bit loopy, I'm sorry. We blended everything beautifully, and now we're gonna go in with my ABH brush, the swish brush again, and we're gonna take some of the blank canvas, the P. Louise base, and we're gonna actually clean up the edges and sharpen it. And sharpen that edge, y'all. Okay, so now it's time to do the cheetah spots, and I'm gonna be using Norvina's new electric cake liners, and I'm gonna be using the orange color. I actually love these liners, guys. Like, I actually 100% really do like them. I have been using them for about a few of my looks, and I am a fan. I absolutely love it. If you guys want them, you should actually go get them because they're sickening. So I am just going to wet my brush, and I'm gonna be using the ABH Squish Brush again. And also guys, you activate this with water. And this is a really weird texture from most. It's actually squishy, like it's a really weird texture from other like liners that I've used. Like the Super Beauty one is definitely different. So I'm gonna go a little bit closer so you guys see. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how I do the dots. So I'm just gonna add just irregular dots everywhere. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so when you do the dots all over, they don't have to be perfect. They can be irregular, it don't matter. So next you're gonna go in with your favorite black liner. I'm gonna be using Morphe's Felt Tip Liquid Liner in black. And what you're gonna do, you're kind of just going to add squiggly. You're gonna kind of outline the circles, but you're not gonna do a full outline, you're just gonna outline the sides of it. So next we're gonna go in with the green from the Norvina Cake Liner, Electric Cake Liners. So I'm gonna use this green. And I'm gonna use this green to outline the squiggly lines. We're just gonna call it squiggly lines for now because I don't know what else to call them because they are squiggly lines. So we're just gonna call them squiggly lines. And take your time with this, y'all, don't rush it. And with the liners, I like it when it's a little bit more thicker than watery. I feel like when it's a little bit more thicker, you have more control than when it's watery. So a little bit of water, so don't over saturate it, you know? Next, we're gonna put the shimmer and the glitter and everything in the middle. So I'm gonna be using my ABH glitter adhesive. And I'm gonna be brushing it on in the center. I'm gonna use my hand to just tap off the excess adhesive. You don't want the pigment to stick too much. So I'm gonna let that dry slightly actually. So I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with J. LaRue's pigment. This is White Gold, I believe the name of it, White Off. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with ABH Ghastly Glitter, which is a pretty gold glitter. And I'm gonna put it on the center of my eye, not too much. Gonna go back in with the glue. And we're only gonna focus this, yeah, we're gonna focus glitter on both sides actually, under. Just slightly tapping it in, then taking the glitter and just focusing it right in the center. And next we're gonna go in with another glitter. I don't know the name of this glitter, but I know it's by Phoenix Cosmetics. I'll put the name right here. And it's this beautiful like gold. Ooh, okay, we spilled some. I spilled some. It's this beautiful like chunky gold color. And just putting a little bit in the center of my eye. And we're only gonna put the glitter on the top part of the eye. So not too much. So I'm gonna go with Cash Lash lashes, and I'm using the style, I think this is Big Bank. Sorry, it's upside down. The style Big Bank. There you go. Okay, and then it's time to highlight. And I'm gonna use Old Beach Cosmetics You Glow Beach highlighter, which is my favorite gold highlighter. And I'm gonna just highlight the center of my face. Okay, so this is the look, and since this look is very, very crazy, we're gonna do something very simple on the lips, and I'm going to do a new lip. I do not care because I like a new lip, y'all. Y'all can't stop me from doing a new lip. Nobody can stop me from doing a new lip. So, okay, so I'm gonna go in with Bare Lip Liner by Crown Case. One of my favorite lip liners along with coffee. I'm gonna line my lips. Okay, and then what I like to do is kind of like go like this. Just really blend everything together. And then I'm gonna go in with Morphe Lip Gloss and Chill. Oh yeah, y'all can use my code too. Right there, GlamFam379. Okay, so I'm actually gonna add some diamonds. I'm gonna style my hair and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look. And here is the finished look. It turned out so cute. I actually like it. I really, really like it. And I styled my hair into little pigtails, and I found these like really cool like cheetah print clips that my mama bought me. She's always buying me like little cute like accessories, so it went perfect with this look. And then obviously with my bamboo earrings like I always do. But this is the look, y'all. This is so different from what I normally do. This is like really outside the box, but I really liked how it turned out. I like the fact that I put two trends together and I created a new trend. And yeah, this is my jungle animal print inspired makeup look, and I like it. I like it. I actually like it. Do y'all like it? I know it's really different. I'm definitely trying different styles of makeup. This is very different from what I normally do, but I really do like it, and I have more ideas. I think I'm gonna do more prints with this style because I think it's just super dope, but I like it. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you put a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you want any more tutorials. Let me know if you're gonna recreate this look. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and check out my other videos. I have a video about how to do a ribbon butterfly. I also have a video on how to block your brows so you can do whatever kind of look you want. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you, babes. Bye.